okay, and we are going to analyze the Gbpusd trade. Okay, so Gbpusd trade, before we even analyze the GBP, you can see that GBP is very bearish. Is very bearish. Okay, so now from here, before you analyze Gbpusd, what you do is you have to look for what we call the DXY for the dollar index. You have to know the dollar index, where is it going, you understand? So for the dollar index, you could see that for the dollar index, you could see that the dollar index is currently on what? On a demand here. There's a demand around this zone. Okay, this demand, the dollar index is reacting to this zone. So let's see here. Okay, so it's on a what? So what we are looking for now is dollar index. Now because it's on a what? It's on a monthly demand. We expect, can you see the bullish engulfing? So this a bullish engulfing. So now market just retraces and market will what? Start flying. So if the dollar index to go up, all the dollar pairs will what? Will go up. Okay, which means that GBP is likely to what? Fall. Alright, so since we know that, let's go back to our Gbpusd trade to continue. Yeah, so you can see from Gbpusd, you could see that this is the market now. Okay, this is the market now. So market is currently moving internally to the up, moving some way. Yes, moving some way like this. Okay, moving some way slowly like this. Okay, so when it reached there, you could see that when market reached this supply here, from this supply here, this is a supply. Okay, so when market reached this supply, market is reacting. Market is very reacting. A bearish engulfing, which show that the sellers are in control. They took the control from the buyer side, bring the market down. Now market is kind of consolidating. Okay, so let's move on to the what? To the weekly chart. Okay, so this is the weekly. Okay, so from the weekly, you could see weekly market is what? Moving in an uptrend manner like this. Okay, market is moving in an uptrend. So from the weekly, we have what? A demand here. We have a demand here. We have a demand here. We have a demand here. Okay, so because we have this demand here, look, so what do we expect? We expect market to what? To fall. Market to do what? To fall, because you can see now market is consolidating. So you should be out of the market. You can't just go and buy Gbpusd. You should wait for market to what? To break out of this consolidation area, that supply. Okay, so even when we move on to the daily, you could see that this daily, let me just arrange it for you. Okay, so this is daily. So you could see that daily was what did daily did? There was a shift in market from here. Okay, there was a shift in market from here. So daily is on a what? Is on a downtrend. So daily from here, after it took out liquidity, you could see daily broke out this, which shows what? A very sharp what? Supply. So a very sharp supply around this zone. You could see the supply. So this base, you could see how market reacted. Market entered. Market just reacted from that base. It entered the supply, and now you could see that market is going. So now I'm expecting market to come and break this low around here, this daily low. This is the low. So I'm expecting market to do what? Market to take out this what? Market to take out this low. After market take, then I'll look for what? Another supply for market to be what? To be selling. Now daily is on a very serious downtrend. So even moving from this one, you could see that on the 4 hour is currently on a downtrend from here. You could see that the low, this is the low, this is the low. Market is what? Is breaking it from here. Okay, so now from there, this is what I'm expecting. So now I'm expecting for market to check out this low, as we've already discussed. Yes, so now just wait for market. I can see there's a supply here. So now we are waiting for market to come here, then market to what? To fall. Alright, Alright, so here is where I'll be expecting. I think I'm seeing a supply here. After this drop, then market from the base, then market made a very good ERC candle here around this zone. So what do I expect? I'm waiting for a confirmation. I can use the 15-minute confirmation to confirm here for market to go just lower. Okay, let's go to the daily time frame to even look for more clues. Okay, so from there, when market was dropping, we could see it made a very good base here, which is a supply here. Okay, so looking from here, you could see that even market reacted to this supply. When market was dropping, after it tested this high probabilities supply, market was just falling. The market from the base here, the market continued to drop. Okay, so when market rallied back, yes, because of this consolidation, because of this demand consolidation, because of just this demand consolidation, market this is a consolidation area, this a consolidation area or a demand zone. Okay, so this is a demand zone. Market entered, you could see that reaction. So when market came back again, the market came to test it. Now market has entered, has even broke it now. Okay, now what do we expect? We are expecting market to be falling. Yes, so as we've already anticipated, even looking from the daily, we could get, let me clear the lines so you can see them clearly. Okay, so this is our 4 lower low that we've already discussed, which it has broken, and this is a supply we've gotten on the daily, and I'm also seeing a very supply here. Okay, so this supply, I'm expecting market to come here. So let me go to the 4 hour to see how that looks on the 4 hour. Okay, so this is it on the 4 hour. This is it on the 4 hour. Okay, so because this is it on the 4 hour, what do I expect? I'm expecting market to come here. Let me see where I can get my, okay, from here, let me refine it. I'm refining the 4 hour supply. Okay, the daily supply, sorry, to arrange it. Okay, so this is where I'm anticipating, not here. So because I've looked on the higher time frame, you could see I've gotten where exactly I'm expecting from market to react. So I'm expecting market to come here. I'm expecting market to come here, market to come to this zone, the market take out this liquidity, the market to fall, just as we've analyzed it on the dollar index, which means that the dollar will be rising against all the pairs quoted with the dollar. So that is my anticipation on Gbpusd tomorrow. Yes, so that is my anticipation on GBP. So watch out for market. So watch out, don't start buying GBP. Wait for market to enter this area of supply, then look for some sales, a strong sell. So next week, what we are looking is more sales on GBPUSD to come here, because even it is in a supply, it's in a very big monthly supply. So I'm waiting for market to break out of this, then come here to come and enter into my weekly supply. Yes, thank you. So that is my anticipation. Watch out. Yeah, this is 40BG at Forex Academy. That is what we do. We just anticipate. Yes. Thank you.